Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Uno R3 board. For this you will require at least 4 LEDs, at least 9 connecting wires, and the Arduino Uno or any Arduino compatible board. So guys, this is the Uno R3 board. It comes in the anti-static packaging. I did get this at an online sale a couple of weeks back. I'm not sure if it's still available. I will try my best and find any available links. So this is the overall structure of the Uno board. You have 13 available digital pins, the reset button. That's 2 different ways to power it up using a barrel jack or the included power cable, which can also be used with your computer, not only to power it up but also to upload any programs that you write for the Uno board. If you would like to purchase another cable because of its length, this is Type A to Type B USB cable. You're also given 50 LEDs of different colors and some extra male headers for the wiring. And this is a 400 piece 55 by 82 millimeter breadboard. I bought this along with a set of 40 pieces male to male wires, each costing about £4 on Amazon, which you will need in order to complete and create circuits using the Uno board. Now I'm going to show you the setup on how to create the 4 LED circuit, and I will also give you the Arduino code and how to upload it in order to get the turn on and off LED effect. So to create the LED effect, you're gonna need a number of LEDs. I choose 4. Then for the amount of wires you will need 2 times your LEDs plus 1, that is 4 wires for each anode of the LED for each positive end and 4 for each negative, plus an extra wire to connect the negative end to the grounding end of the Arduino board. To get it started, always remember positive, negative, doesn't really matter where or which side, but keep in mind. So just put the LEDs wherever. Now it's best you use as much space as possible. Now 1 grounding and 1 wire for each LED. I choose to color code it because it's easier on the eyes. So this, the positive end on the long one, and this will go on the Arduino. Then one of this on the short side of the LED. Let me get wires out. Now this will go anywhere on the negative side. Now continue that for each of these. And now for the last one, put it anywhere on the negative, and this will go in the Arduino. So now, having the Arduino, take the wire that's only on the negative and
put it on ground, that will be G and D, and now connect each of the colors to any of the digital pins. Doesn't really matter which number. So now each of the calculator are at a number of digital pins, and this is what the circuit will look like at the end. Now I will show you the code and I will show you that it works.
Okay, so to start programming, it's usually recommended when you have different numbers that you're using in many places, in this case the pin numbers that you connected the wires on the Arduino board. So we will make global variables here as integers representing pin numbers, and to create that we say int, that is for integer, the name of the variable for convenience I say pin 13, and then this is the numerical value we assign. So this will be number 13. For you it will be the digital pins used on the Arduino board. I will show you a picture now on how to get those numbers. Now I used a total of 4, so I need to create 4 variables. These don't have to be in sequence, this is any number you chose to write. Now we have two functions, void setup and void loop. As it says in this comment, this is the setup code, the code that is run at the start of your program and is only run once. Once this code is finished, it goes into void loop function and just keeps repeating this code until you choose to stop it or pull the power cord on your Arduino. Now, to begin with, I will just make a simple turn on off for all 4 of the LEDs. Now what this says, digital write, this is the pin number, this is number 13 for me, and we set its value to high. What this means, it will give power to pin 13, which will then power on the LED using the wires onto the breadboard. Now what I'm going to do is copy paste this for all 4 pins and simply change the value here. Then I will say delay of 500, that is milliseconds, so this is 0.5 seconds, and I will now copy and paste these 4, but this time I will set the value to low. So what this does is it starts the program, turns on all 4 of my LEDs, waits half a second, then turns them off. Now we will go here where I will copy paste this code, but I will make a few modifications to it. So oops, copy paste this here. So what I'm going to do is turn on pin 13, turn it off, then turn off pin 12 at the same time, turn 12 off, turn on 11, turn off 11, turn on 10, then cycle through it again and again. How to do that is I turn pin 13 on. Now remember, all 4 of them are turned off because of here, so only digital pin 13 will be high. I give it a delay of 1 second, so it's on. Now over here I say digital write pin 13 low. So when this goes low, this goes high at the same time. Again, delay of 1000, and this is where I say digital write pin 12 low, while digital pin 11 goes high. and just repeat this. Delay, digital write, pin 11, low, and that goes until digital pin 10. Now I say delay 1000 once again, and at the bottom here I just write digital write pin 10 low. The reason for this line is once it's finished it goes immediately to pin 13 high and resets the whole cycle. So when this goes low it immediately goes to pin 13 high and turns it on. So this is just a nifty little program to turn on your LEDs in a sequence. I'm going to file, save. I'm going to save this on my desktop as for LED underscore on underscore off. Save, creates a folder for you. It should give you a .ini Arduino file. Now this is where you take your data cable and connect one part to your computer USB port and the other to your Arduino. This powers it on, and here you go to tools, board Arduino Genuino Uno. It should automatically discover it. If not, this is the board I'm using, and this is the board I will leave you in the description to buy, so most likely will be that. Then you go to port, and there's only usually one port available here because you only have one Arduino. If you have more than that, you will need to plug and unplug and see which one it is. So once we settle that, we can press upload. We'll compile the sketch, and if there are no errors, it will send it automatically to the Arduino, and you should see it flash and start turning the LEDs on off.